Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to fix the check strap on our Renault Grand Scenic 3 to get rid of the crackling sounds which happen when opening and closing the door. First, let's remove the door panel. There are 4 bolts here and you'll need TX20 and 30. The door panel is now attached only by plastic clips. We'll create some space so we can grab the panel and pull it carefully. Now the door handle, light on the bottom and the window switch can be disconnected and door panel can be removed. With door panel out of the way, we can unstick this white cover and from there we'll be able to reach the check strap. You don't have to unstick it completely. On the door, the check strap has 2 bolts for which we'll need 10mm socket. The other side of the check strap is fixated with a single screw. Here we'll use a TX40. This one can be a bit harder to undo because it has some glue on it. The check strap can now be removed. The reason why the crackling sounds appear are these worn out plastic cylinders. In this video we are not using a replacement part, instead we have repaired the original one. If you're interested in repairing it yourself, we have a video on how we did it. The link is in the description and on the top of the screen. Let's install the repair check strap to see if we fixed it successfully. Hopefully the crackling sounds are gone. When putting the door panel back, we hang it from the top, and when it is in place, push it around the frame with the palm of your hand. We're almost ready to test it. The crackling sounds are gone, it rolls nicely and feels a lot better than before. For more information about checkstrap limiter, you can watch how we install the replacement ones on Laguna and Megane. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.